Welcome to Dream Abroad with IELTS. In this video, we are going to learn about the types of questions in the listening module. I already discussed in detail about the listening module in my previous video and please check it if you want. Now let's move on to types of questions in listening module. They are matching questions, multiple choice questions, sentence completion, filling the blanks. In that, there are different types of filling the blanks. They are form completion, notes completion, table completion, summary completion, flowchart completion, then short answer questions and diagram, map or plan labeling. These are the different types of questions in IELTS listening module. First one is matching questions. In this, some descriptions would be given and they have to be matched with the list of options which are given. For example, you are given a list of hobbies and a list of people. You must listen to the audio and identify and match the name with the hobbies that they said are their favorites. Here, choose your answers from the box and write the correct letter A to E next to the question number 1 to 4. Audio says, John Boyd is interested in gardening. So here you write letter E next to the question number 1. Like that, you can match the other people with their hobbies. This is the one form of matching questions which usually appears in part 1. Another form is, for example, you are given a list of places and a list of choices the students could make about whether or not she will visit for her project. Here, you listen what does Julie tell her tutor about each of the following place options. If audio says she will definitely visit Munich, you can write option A next to the question number 21. Like that, you can match other places with her choice. This is the type of questions which usually appears in part 3. You can see here, sometimes some options can be repeated and sometimes some options may not be used even once also. So all these instructions will be given in the question booklet. So the candidate have to read those instructions very carefully. Second one is multiple choice questions. In this, list of choices will be given and the candidates have to select the correct options from the list of choices. Sometimes one options have to be selected and sometimes more than one options have to be selected, like 2 or 3 options have to be selected. Usually it will be 2 or 3 words or phrases. Here I am showing different forms of multiple choice questions. In this form of questions, you must choose 2 answers from A to E for each pair of questions 11 and 12 and 13 and 14. For example, question 11 and 12 question is, which 2 age groups are taking increasing number of holidays with SR Travels? While hearing the audio, you can choose 2 options from the list and write that letter next to the question number 11 and 12. Like that for question 13 and 14, also you can choose 2 options from the list A to E. Another form of multiple choice question is, for example, in this you must choose one answer for each questions from the options A, B or C. Here you can see questions 15 to 17. Question 15 is, how does SR Travel plan to expand the art holidays? Here you can see 3 options A, B or C. While listening the audio, you can choose the correct option for the question 15. Like that, you can choose the options for question number 16 and 17 also. Next form of multiple choice question is, for example, audio about the fitness center. Here questions 11 to 13, choose 3 letters A to H. What 3 items are you recommended to take with you to the fitness center? Here while listening the audio, you can choose the correct 3 options from the given list and write that letter against the question number 11 to 13. These are the some different forms of multiple choice questions usually appears in IELTS listening module. Next is sentence completion. In this type of questions, you must listen to the recording and fill in the missing words in the sentence to complete them. You may have to add the ending to the sentence or fill in words within the sentence. in such a manner that the entire sentence becomes grammatically correct and it fits that particular sentence. Read the instructions carefully and note of how many words you are allowed to write. And do not write more than this or your answer will be marked incorrect even if the information you given is correct. For example, question 7 to 10, complete the sentence below. Write one word only for each answer. Here, while listening the audio, you can complete the sentence. It may be a conversation between a member of staff at tourist office and a tourist. Another example is a discussion between two friends about studying with distance education. Here, question number 27 to 13, complete the sentence below. Write no more than 2 words for each answer. Studying with distance education demanded a great deal of dash. Here you can complete the sentence as per the audio says. Also, complete other questions 28, 29 and 30. Next is fill in the blanks. In this there are different types of filling the blanks questions. They are form completion, notes completion, table completion, summary completion and flowchart completion. First, about the form completion. This type of questions are common in part 1 of the test and the recording will often be a telephone conversation between two people. For example, to fill the form to join in the fitness center. In this case, maybe the audio is a telephone conversation between a fitness center staff and a person interested to join in the fitness center. Here, so while listening the audio, you can fill the form. For example, questions 1 to 8, complete the form below. Write one word and or a number for each answer. Means the answer could be just a one word or a number or a combination of a word and a number or just a number. Here question is the enquiry about joining youth council. Here while listening the audio you can fill out the form, that is question number 1 to 8. Another example of form completion is also a conversation between a customer and an agent at a company which ships large boxes overseas. Here also while listening the audio you can fill out the form, that is question number 1 to 8. Next is notes completion. This type of questions come up regularly in the IELTS listening test, so there is a high chance of you getting one in your test. For example, the audio will be a telephone conversation between a clerk at the enquiry desk of a transport company and a man who is asking for the travel information. While listening the audio, you fill the missing information about the travel options by bus and train from Bayswater to Harbour City. Another example is here the audio will be a radio broadcast about the National Arts Centre. Here while listening the audio, you are required to fill the missing information about the Arts Centre. Next is table completion. Here I am giving the example which is same as in the notes completion. For example, in this the audio will be a telephone conversation between a clerk in a transport company and a man who is asking for travel information. Here the information given as a table and while listening the audio, you fill the missing information in that table. Another example of table completion is in this audio says about the radio broadcast about the National Arts Centre. While listening the audio, you fill out the missing information about the Arts Centre in that given table against the question number. Next is summary completion. In this usually the audio will be a monologue on an academic topic. There will be words missing from the summary which you must fill in. This type of question is mostly appear in part 4 and it is most challenging part of the test. For example, here while listening the monologue lecture and fill the gaps in the summary with 2 words only. In the second example, while listening the monologue lecture, fill the gaps in the summary with 1 word only. Next is flowchart completion. In flowchart completion questions, there will be a steps of process and the process will have a start and an end with several steps in between. For example, here while listening the audio, you fill the missing words in the steps. Next is short answer questions. As the name suggests, the candidate have to give short answers to the questions. How many maximum words they can write, that is already mentioned in the question booklet. Suppose maximum 2 words can be written So it will be mentioned in the question booklet that the candidates have to write no more than 2 words, which means answers cannot exceed more than 2 words. For example, candidate hear the answer as a red pen. So in that case, because they can't write 3 words, so they will have to write the answer as red pen. Here they avoid A. Here in the example number 1, here while listening the audio, you should write the answers to the questions with no more than 3 words and or a number. In the second example, in this while listening the audio, you should write the answer with no more than 2 words and or a number. The last one is the diagram, map or plan labeling. It might you given a floor plan, graph or drawing or street directions which you will have to label based on the audio that you hear. In diagram labeling questions, you will be given a diagram of process, an object, a structure or a machine, and you must either fill in the missing labels or complete the notes within the diagram. For example, here while listening the audio, you fill in the missing notes in the diagram. In map labeling, here for example, the chairman of the highway committee is explaining the new traffic regulations and parking arrangements proposed for Grand Fort at a public meeting. Here while listening the audio, you should identify and label the map and write your answer as alphabet next to the question number. In plan labeling questions, for example, here a librarian of a new town library talking to a group of people who are visiting the library. Here while listening the audio, you should label the each area of the library with the list of options given A to I. These are the different types of questions usually appears in the IELTS listening module. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.